Hello, dear. You're welcome to Design Slider Tech. So your computer failed to display your USB drive, or your PC does not recognize your USB flash and external drives. I'll be showing you some methods to fix this issue. Now hear this. I bet the last method will fix it for you. If you trust the quality of my tutorial videos, then let's do this. Let us open Device Manager. There are different ways to open it in Windows 11, but those using Windows 10 can go to Windows Start and search for Device Manager. Open it. Go to Universal Serial Bus Controllers, expand it, then go to USB Root Hub and right-mouse click on it. Select Properties. The USB Root dialog box opens. Go to Power Management tab and turn off. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck it off and give it OK. Do the same for all the USB root hubs you have here. While you are still in Device Manager, make sure your computer now is connected to the Internet. Under Universal Serial Bus Controllers, you will see one or more USB controller drivers, USB composite devices, and USB root hubs. You need to update all of them. Start from the USB host controller devices. Right-mouse click on each of them and select Update Driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Select Search Automatically for Drivers. When this is done successfully, close it and do the same for all the USB drivers, including the composite devices and the root hub drivers. When you are done updating all the USB drivers, then go to your Windows Start to Power Options and restart your computer. If the problem still persists, the next method is to refresh and reinstall USB drivers. Let us open the Device Manager again. Under Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-mouse click on any of the drivers that give you the option to disable device. Select Disable Device and go with Yes. Then go back to that same driver you just disabled, right-mouse click on it again, and select Enable Device. Do the same for all the drivers that allow you to disable them, then you re-enable them all. Now, while you are still here, go to your USB host controllers, right-mouse click on each, and select Uninstall Device. If you have more than one USB host controller, try uninstalling all the USB host controllers. Then restart your computer. When the computer reboots and comes back on, it will automatically reinstall all the USB drivers and refresh them for you. Then check if the system now recognizes your USB. If not, the next method is to install Windows Media Transfer Protocol driver. Go to Open File Explorer, to this PC, and to the disk where your Windows is installed. It is usually in disk C for many people. Open the disk to open Windows and to open INF. Inside INF, scroll down to the W section and look out for WPDMTP. Be very careful here because there are many WPDM files in here. The one we need is WPDMTP. Right-mouse click on it and select Install. The installation should be done in just a few seconds. Then restart your device and check if the problem is fixed. If the problem is still there, let's disable Selective Suspend settings for USB. Go to Windows Start, search for Control Panel, and open it. Go to Open Power Options. It's easy to find it within this display. For those who cannot find Power Options here, go to the View By and select Category, then select Hardware and Sound. Now you can see the power options. Open it. To change plan settings, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. And in the Power Option dialog box, expand USB Settings and expand USB Selective Suspend setting. If you see Settings, put it on Disable. If you see on Battery, it should be disabled, and also the plugged in should be disabled. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Restart your device and confirm the issue is fixed. If your USB is still not recognized on your PC, then let's try to update Windows. Use any method you know to open Windows settings. Then go to Windows Update and check if you are up to date or if new updates are available to install or download. Click Download and install all updates. Sometimes simple updates like this can fix common problems like USB issues. The last method I'm showing in this video is to do a hard reset on your computer. It is very simple. Unplug all connected cables from the computer, such as headphone jacks and USB discs. Just make sure you remove all external connections, including the power cable. Now press the power button and hold the button down for about 20 to 30 seconds. After about 30 seconds, let it go. Then leave it for about another 10 seconds again. Then turn on the computer. Which of my methods works for you? Talk to me in the comments. Thank you.